Namaste Gurukulian. I hope all of you are healthy at your home. So today again we are here with part 6 of the chapter 3rd, Yoga and Lifestyle, and it is of plus 2 class. In previous part we completed of this chapter what is yoga, origin of yoga, about asanas, kiryas, and today's which disease going on with the today's lifestyle, or reason behind that disease is today's lifestyle, because it's become very fast. People involved in the activity where they are not getting time to do exercise or yoga, or even their working capacity decreasing because they are doing the jobs, sitting jobs, like 8 to 10 hours continuously they are sitting on the chair and doing work on computer. So cause of these type of daily lifestyle, many general things like obesity, back pain, diabetes, these type of disease, or we can say general problems take place in the body of individual. So in previous part we completed about the what is obesity or remedial for obesity, which asanas we can do prevent ourselves from obesity. So we completed obesity. Obesity, you know, if we check our body weight according to our height in BMI, body mass index given by Adolf Quetelet. So if we are not in the normal category, or if we are below than normal, then we have thin body. If we have more than normal, then we have obesity first class, second class, third class, or in danger zone. So for obesity, which asana we have to perform with our daily routine, then we can prevent our body from the obesity. Or if a person having obesity, how he can decrease the extra fat from the body parts around the body. So for obesity, a trick I given to you, that is Vajra Hast trick, Ardha Asana. Learn it as a single name of an asana. Vajra Hastrik Ardha Asana. Vajra Hastrik Ardha Asana. Vajra Hastrik Ardha Asana. Vajrasana. Hastasana, और इसको that we can say urdhva hastasana, trick, trikonasana. These three we completed. Ardha, Matsendra Asana. Here Y over there. Matsendra Asana. Today we will do Ardha Matsendra Asana, Vajra Asana, Urdhva Hastasana, or Trikonasana we completed in our previous parts. Ardha Matsendra Asana. Ardha Matsendra, this word having a meaning itself. Ardha. Ardha means half. Adha. Mats means fish. Indra means Lord Indra. asan, that posture or pose we can say. Okay, ardh half, matsyendra fish, mats fish, indra Lord Indra, asan posture or pose. One more thing, it is a part of Hatha Yoga. Part of Hatha Yoga. Okay. Ardh Matsyendra Asan, it is more complicated asan of Vakrasana. Complicated more than we can say Vakrasana. Ardh, Adha, Mats, fish, Indra, Lord, Indra, Asan, posture. It is a part of Hatha Yoga. Hatha Yoga is known as the father of yoga. We can say many yogas are there which we have to perform under Hatha Yoga, or it is more complicated asan than Vakrasana or of Vakrasana. Asan or version we can say. Okay. Ardh Matsyendra Asana. Now procedure. Procedure of Ardh Matsyendra Asana. Sit with straight legs. Here straight legs means in V shape. We will sit with straight legs. Our legs should be in V shape. Or second one, back should be straight. During this V shape position, back should be straight. Third one, both side we can do, but we will start from left leg. Okay, fold your left leg. Feet of left leg go under the right hip. Like this, we will fold this leg, or that feet or heel, it will come under the right hip. Then we will fold the right leg. Fold right leg and feet will come near left leg knee. We fold our left leg and the heel come under the right side hip, and then we will fold our right leg, and that feet, it will come near the knee of left leg. Okay, knee of left leg. Through internet you can check the pose, or even we will adjust a video in the end of particular asana. the procedure, practical procedure, a short video we will attach with the video of the lecture. Okay, left knee. Seventh one, it's the position. Then sixth, then we turn our spine. Then we turn our spine opposite direction of the right leg. Toward left side. Toward left side. When we turn our spine toward left side, in this pose, after the 6th point, in this pose our elbow will touch the right knee. Our left arm, elbow touch the right knee, and we place our hand near the knee of left leg. Even feet of right feet is also placed there, but we will place our hand near the left leg knee of the left leg. And we will maintain this pose according to our capacity. Okay, so it is the procedure of Ardha Matsyendra Asana. Now benefit of Ardha Matsyendra Asana. When we twist, when we turn our spine opposite direction of our we turn left side, then our right leg is this side. If our left leg is this side, then we turn our spine toward the left side. So during this, pressure go on digestive organs. More gastric juices released in digestive system, because when we turn like this, so on that time our abdominal area totally turn left or right side. In this condition, what happen? Pressure go on our digestive organ, means internal stretch is there little bit, or pressure on our digestive organ like liver, pancreas, like this. So more gastric juice released in digestive system. That juice is released by liver or other organs which are helpful in the digestion. Spine become flexible. During this, our spine become flexible. It's remove stiffness from spine or hip. Cause of exercise, cause of our working lifestyle, our spine becomes stiff, even our hip joints, it also become very stiff, our flexibility decrease. But if we start doing the asana, after 10 to 15 days we can see the result easily, that our flexibility also increase after doing the asanas like this. It's improve the blood circulation. During this asana, that our blood circulate in all the organs, especially whenever we fold our legs. On that time, we can say barrier take place during the in the circulation toward the legs. So on that time, that blood flow go toward the digestive, means abdominal parts. That is very helpful to improve the function of digestive system. So these are the benefits of this asana. And one more, when we open our chest during this, when we turn left or right side, so oxygen supply towards the lungs also increase. Okay. Contraindications, like which, if a person having any problem, so which type of problem is under this category, that he don't perform this asana. If he having a problem, then these are the points. First one, pregnant lady, and if a lady have menstrual problem, then she don't perform this asana. Second one, if anybody having spine problem, he don't have to do this asana. Anybody have heart problem or blood pressure problem? Then he don't have to perform or don't do this, don't try it in this asana. If anybody have back pain, so he don't do this asana. Generally what happen, the person who is having obesity, generally he have a problem of blood pressure, because if we check around us, the people who is having obesity, definitely they have a problem of blood pressure, high or low blood pressure, basically high blood pressure, because the fat percentage is high under their skin, or it pressurize our arteries or vein. It pressurize our arteries or vein, so pressure goes on our heart, means it's press the artery, from there blood is flowing in all body parts. When pressure is there, so it is difficult to our heart to pump the blood easily through artery or through veins. So general thing, blood pressure, person who is having obesity, this problem we will say in the individual, or if they are not concentrate on their health, they are suffering from obesity from last 10 to 15 year, 20 year, automatically the blood pressure problem, it take a vast root, or it's increase the heart problem also, because it weakens the muscles of heart, or the working capacity of heart, it is decreased year by year, day by day, if the person is not do the exercise or not decrease the level of fat from the body. So these are the contraindication. Pregnant lady, menstrual dysfunction is there, or menstrual cycle is going on, that lady haven't do this asana. If anybody having spine problem, anybody heart problem or blood pressure problem, or continuous back pain is there, then a person should not perform this asana at home. They can do this asana, but they have to take proper guidance from the trainer. Slowly, step by step, how they can perform this asana easily, or how they can attain the appropriate or proper pose of this asana with the help of a trainer or coach. So these are the points. In next video we will do the second, this is maybe diabetes. What is diabetes, type of diabetes, or which asanas we can do. Trick, you have to learn Vajrahast trick Ardha asana, a simple single name of the asana, you have to learn that word, it is a asana. Okay, Vajrahast trick Ardha asana. So we'll see you in the next video. तब तक के लिए सभी को नमस्ते. Take care of your health. Thank you.